Well, some of you have been worried about my backyard. I just thought I'd give you a little update. We finally got some rain last night. First time in roughly 20 days here. So we've been, watering every day. But as you can see, the green grass is back. And lots of new grass up here. And you can kind of see as we zoom in a little bit down here. Lots of new grass down there. Yeah. So lots. So everything is coming in, and that'll all fill in, of course. Sun's just coming up through the trees over here. And there you go. So now you can see that my lawn renovation is kicking in. This is like September 11th, and I just wanted to give you an update. This is old Lovin' the Green Gary signing off. You have a great day today, and remember 9/11 always.